I wanted to show you one of the ways that I fill batteries when they really need a lot of water. I carry this cheap little Hudson sprayer I got at Home Depot in my car, in my truck I mean. There's my truck. And instead of making a bunch of trips back and forth to the truck and pouring a bunch of to get water and empty the individual little battery water bottles, like, well, this one's got a watering system, but anyway, I use this, and what I do, I pour my distilled water in there. I pump this up a few times, and I come over. It's hard to see for you guys, but this cart is completely, every cell was exposed in this cart. But you can see the water. I'm going to stop. See the water coming out and how fast? So this is one way that I would say if you have a golf cart, these Hudson sprayers are cheap. I mean, they're, I don't know, $14 at Home Depot, but it fills these so fast.